So we're getting ready to hang our food bag up. So what we've done is we've taken one end here and tied it off to a carabiner. We've taken the other end, we tied it off to a rock. Found us a suitable branch about 20 feet up in the air, and we're gonna see if Corey here can get this all in one shot.
Got it coming back and hitting us.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure there's plenty of rope, because it will swing up over that branch and it comes back faster than it went over. Nice. All right, so now we just let it down a little bit. Come over here, out of that. Come over here. We won't grab these stakes because we're letting them thaw, but so we'll get our food bag. We clip that off here. All right, then you just pull it on up. And then there are multiple ways to do this. So depending on what type of bear country you're in, you can either tie it off to a close tree, or if you wanted, you could put a counterweight on it and you raise that counterweight up with a stick. And as long as it's the same weight as what your food bag is, it'll go ahead and hold that up there. But we do this and then you clip it off, or tie a nice little cinch knot, and anytime you need your food, you come bring it down. So, all right, thanks for watching.